Hey, what's going on? This is your Professor YC of Option Snipers University, and today we are going to be briefly going over how to set a stop loss on the Tradovate platform. Okay, how to set a stop loss on the Tradovate platform. We're going to be doing so with a desktop. Okay, so this is going to be the desktop version, not the mobile version. All right, so without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into it. So currently we see that we have our chart on the right side, and then we have our super dom on the left side. Now this allows us to look at price action to see what's potentially happening at whatever given current time with the bidders and the askers here, okay, the buyers and sellers, okay, the auction going on here on the left side. All right, so looking at the chart here, I would potentially want to go ahead and grab some sell orders. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and hit sell market, okay? Now, once I hit sell market, it's going to essentially get me in at this sell point, okay? So we see the triangle here. That's where I bought, okay? Now, based on my analysis, I would potentially say, okay, if I want to see myself not take a huge loss on this trade, I want to set my stop loss, okay? Now, your stop loss is going to be different pertaining to each play that you're going to be in, right? So it's going to depend on whichever trade that you're potentially in at that given point in time, okay? And we're currently seeing in real time my profits change, essentially going from positive to break even to negative. We're seeing that here, and we're also watching it happen on the chart. All right, so based on the given setup here, I would be looking to see some of an interaction with, this would be the 50 exponential moving average. I would be looking to essentially place my stop right here, because if it gets to this point, that would mean that my trade is no longer a good trade. Okay, so what I would do is I would simply click on the chart and it says buy one stop. Okay, now since I already have one contract, my stop would essentially be right there at that point. Okay, and it's looking like it's currently trying to peak at that point right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and press buy one stop. So now what happens is, since I've gotten into the trade over here, now it's going to get me out of the trade if I get out, or if the price action hits this level right here. Okay, so let's go ahead and watch it play out. Let's see what happens here. Now we have some back and forth teetering. We're able to see our profit or our loss right here, right? So let's see if we hit our stop loss target. We're currently going back and forth, back and forth. Once we set our stop, we can see where our line is for the stop. Now the stop is going to depend on whether you are buying or selling. So since we were selling, it said to buy a stop, and it currently looks like we just got stopped out of that trade. All right, guys, so it looks like we took just a little bit of a loss here on this trade, and because we took a little bit of a loss, it didn't allow us to continue to take more of a loss to the upside, based on the fact that we were able to set a stop. Okay, so once we got in here with this red triangle, it then stopped us out on this blue triangle. Okay, so I hope that helps. And again, we wanted to make sure that we actually did hit that stop loss, just so that you guys could see the interaction that does occur. Okay, guys, so that's exactly what you should expect once your stop is set. Okay, you should see it essentially trigger, and then the line where your stop was essentially no longer would exist at that point in time. All right, y'all, so I hope this helps. Go ahead and click the link below if you are currently not in our school community and you would like to learn more about how to trade with us on a day-to-day basis. We literally trade in the markets between twice to 3 times every single week. And if that's something that you want to do, where you would want to have us essentially hold your hand in the market and be amongst a community of other self-sufficient traders, go ahead and click the link below. We have some special offers for you to join our community, so you definitely do not want to miss out on that. All right. With that being said, see you soon. Peace. Hey, what's going on? This is YC from the Option Snipers, and we're looking for new traders that are literally telling themselves, I have no idea what I'm doing in the market. If that sounds like you, it is going to be imperative for you to go ahead, click the link below so that you can join our community. Listen, we're not for everybody, so if you feel like you already know it all, please, by all means, continue to strive for your own success. But if you're someone that literally needs the assistance, it's definitely going to benefit you to join our community. All right, so go ahead and click the link below, and we'll see you soon. Chat later.